Hi everybody, just going to do another classic video on TRS-80 color computer video game called Doubleback. I absolutely loved Doubleback when I was a kid. I played this game with my sister, and I think I made my parents play with me as well, for countless hours. It's just a really simple game, but it is really addictive and really fun. And it's very replayable, and it's great two-player. It's also a lot of fun single player, going for a high score. I really enjoyed this game. It was one of the first ones that I had for my computer, and have a copy of the good old manual here. And so we'll take a look at the cover art here, which I think is great. And it was kind of interesting, as most cover art on any of these games oversells the game. The cover art is, this sort of like magical land, and then you get these blocky graphics. Well, I have to say that this cover art is pretty accurate for this game. You basically have a line, and you draw it around objects that are these objects, and you get points. So, the spider might be a little bit too detailed in this picture, but that's basically the gist. I think they nailed it there. We'll take a quick look at the rest of the manual. So this is 1982, and it only needed a TRS-80 with 4K, so run on a Color Computer 1. So Doubleback is a game of skill and coordination for one or two players using the joysticks. The object is to collect as many points as possible by tracing a path around moving and stationary objects that materialize around you. Tells you how to load it, playing the game. Let's see. Yeah, so it's basically telling you if you get multiple objects in your circle, you have to connect your circle to score your points and get rid of the objects. If you run into an object, you lose one of your lives, and you have 3 lives. So you can't run into it. But if you combine objects, you get extra points. And if you get enough points, there's going to be an added danger, which are the skulls, and they block your path, and you can't get rid of them. And it says here, which actually I don't think I ever got more than 10 skulls. It says, after 10 skulls, beware of the unexpected. I have no idea what that is, so it would be really unexpected, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get 10 skulls, especially with my gamepad is not as sensitive as the good old Tandy Radio Shack joysticks, which actually I have still have my joysticks, and I still have Doubleback, so I actually could go back and play. But even with those, I wasn't never able to get 10 skulls. I never could get that far. So, has anyone gotten 10 skulls watching this video? If you have, please let me know down in the comments what the surprise is. I'd really like to know. Alright, so let's give it a go. Oh, that's just me up there. Let me reset the computer here. Alright, so you can select 1 or 2 players. I'm going to select 1 player. That was kind of a catchy tune. I used to hum that when it was playing. So you're basically this line, draw a circle, boom, get the points. Don't run into anything. Yeah, it's a lot harder with the analog on my gamepad here. Alright, so if I wanted to combine things, see, if I stay here, these guys will sort of follow my point. Oh, that guy just made it a lot more hard. Alright, so boom! got him. So that can substantially increase the number of points that you get. And I might be able to combine the yo-yo and this apple or not. Oh. The worst of the spiders. Let's see if I can get a spider to come out for you guys. I guess I could get these guys. I used to be a lot more brave when I was a kid. You can't let too many things come out on you, just because. Oh, you get kind of out of control. You have too many things in your way. All right, come on, yo-yo. Just get him. I'll leave the magnet. See what we get. Yo-yo. Roller skates. Alright, let's try these. Oh, it's so hard with this analog. Okay. Oh, man. That's going to be hard for me to show you guys a spider. And then one of the higher point ones is a pear, which doesn't do anything, which is kind of an interesting thing. All right, I'll be more conservative here. Let's get these two guys. I just can't help myself. I get greedy. Very, very greedy. Let's get rid of that guy. Oh, come on. This sound looks so hard. Alright. Boom. Boom. Alright. See if I can get these guys to go. Whoa. Okay. Okay. This will be some good points if I can pull it off. Sweet. So as you see, this game is it's a really simple concept, but you know, it actually has a lot of gameplay value. I really enjoyed playing this with my sister. When my daughter's a little bit older, I could easily introduce her to this game, and I think she would enjoy it. It wouldn't be one of those things that's just like, Dad, why are you making me play this ridiculous old game? You know, I think it's actually pretty fun. Alright, 2 lives left. The pears came out. I think spiders are next. So I can get a few more points. I can show you guys a spider. The spiders are actually pretty terrifying. I don't know how to explain the old Tandy joystick. It was I'm gonna have to do a video where I show them. It just had just a great range of motion compared to the thumbstick, and you kind of held it with your forefinger as opposed to, you know, wrapping your whole hand around it or playing it with your thumb or something like that. It was a really, I would say it was a really good joystick. It felt great in the hand and great range of motion, easy to move, for drawing the precision lines around these objects. Yeah, I would say it was vastly superior to my Xbox 360 controller here. See, if you're not greedy, trying to combine them, you don't get the points that you need. Okay, I'll let them go. Let's see what I can do. Okay, we'll group them. That's some low-hanging fruit right there. All right. I should have let him go. Whatever. Hey, oh, that was good. Ah, these yo-yos. Ooh, come on. Nice. Ah, some more low-hanging fruit. All right. Got a 2 for 1 there. Oh, could have combined that. It's okay. All right. Tricky. Ah. Alright. Really trying my best for you guys to show you a spider. I thought that was easy points right there. Alright, yo-yo. And a magnet. Alright, nice. 800. Hey! There's a spider. Like I said, they're pretty terrifying. They move fast. And they're coming right after you. Oh, spider. Let's see if I can get him down by a roller skate. Boom. Okay, double these guys up. Oh, more spiders. Sweet. Maybe I'll get a skull. I don't know. Alright, come here, spider. Come on, boom. Hey, there's a skull. So, skull, you can't do anything. It's just in the way. So it's an obstacle. And if you get 10 of them, apparently something unknown happens. Ugh. Oh, that was a horrible one. All right, not bad. 22,020. So I guess I'll challenge. Maybe, you know what? I love this game so much. Maybe I will challenge anyone out there who has Doubleback to post in the comments your high score. So I'm going to officially set mine here at 22,020. I'm sure I can be easily beaten by somebody with Tandy joystick and original Doubleback, which I have, so I could always pull it out and hook it up to combat that high score. And if you've gotten 10 skulls, I post in the comments. I want to know what the surprise is, because I've never gotten 10, and I doubt that I ever will, especially now that I'm older and slower. So hopefully someone knows the answer to that. All right, so that is Doubleback, one of my favorite games from my childhood. I loved it back then. Still love it. I don't really get it out once a year and play it, that type kind of thing. It's a just every once in a blue moon type kind of game for me. But whenever I do, I certainly enjoy it. I think the simple game mechanics hold up to this day, and it's just a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this look at Doubleback for the TRS-80 color computer.